Well, it's about 6 p.m. now, June 14th, 2015. We got another thunderstorm formed just north of town right there. I can hear real clear thunder. Oh boy. Figured it probably wasn't over yet, and it looks like it isn't. Who knows, maybe we'll get another tornado warning out of it. Fortunately, we got a front moving through tonight, so it's supposed to be nice and cool the next couple days. So hopefully we'll get some severe weather out of it, or some more. Oh boy, looks like this thing might actually nail us. It looks like it's moving southwest. I'm gonna go out front, get a better vantage point. Yeah, it's coming. Actually, it looks like it's moving southwest a bit.